guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. I decided I wanted to start off the first video of the new year, a tutorial. Guys, let me just say first and foremost, this hairstyle is going to be super easy. Okay, I wasn't even planning to go into to film this. I was like, oh, what am I gonna do with my hair and whatever. Like, I kind of got a dream last night and it inspired me doing my hair instead of wearing my headband wig. So yeah, this is not going to be my best. Like, if you want to see like a hair tutorial slick, I'm going to link a few of them. I have like a bunch of hair tutorials that you can go up check out. Yeah, but anyway, we're going to do a middle part ponytail. Yes, sleek ponytail, you know, straight down the middle of my head. Yeah, so I'm just gonna basically use got to be glue gel, and then I'm going to use the aqua hair gel Morphos, and I'll just attach a link to everything in the description box. And also I'm going to be using some braiding hair, just one pack of ombre braiding hair, black and green. But as you can tell, I'm just layering my hair right now. My hair I washed my hair like maybe a week ago, and then because the time is kind of weird, I put this pudding in my hair. So if you see any of those, the white thing on my roots, it's just this hair pudding that I put in my hair like overnight, just to mask it a bit, just because the time is very dry. I always have the heater on, so I just put the hair pudding in my hair. Always put it in like twice per night, and I just let it stay. And then before I actually did this hairstyle, I put some hair pudding. So if you see some white stuff on my roots, it's just the hair pudding because the time is dry. And yeah, so that's all I'm doing. I'm just adding the Morphos aqua hair gel, and I'm just using the comb to basically kind of press it down, like mold it a bit. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. So just enjoy as we do this little hairstyle for the new year. And as I said before, happy new year again. Keep on watching. I'm going to be right back with you. Okay, so just enjoy the little music. Yeah.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh. some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here.
Okay guys, so this is the finished hair. I know it's very sleek, but I kind of wanted, like in 2022 I want to do my hair to keep my texture. Like whenever I do a sleek ponytail, not all the time still, like sometimes I want it to be super sleek, and no, but I wanted to see my texture, my natural hair texture, so that's how I did it. And this hair, because of the texture of this braided hair, it actually allows your hair, your natural hair texture to show or to come through without what should I say now? It allows you to do your natural hair without the hair and your hair texture being different, mainly because it's like ombre, so it's black hair at the root, and then when it comes out here it's like green. So I know it's like super basic hairstyle, but that's the vibe I was feeling. And I basically just, this part of the hair, I wanted it to be out. I didn't want it to be like, you know that, yeah, I kind of wanted like it to reflect an actual ponytail. And also because of the green, I kind of, I was just feeling it. But this is just a simple pull back hairstyle for people who don't have a lot of edges and so forth. It's like super easy and simple, and this is just very simple and easy. It's not like perfect in terms of slicking down, but that's not what we're going for. We're going for just natural, nice, sleek down, sleek enough, but not like super sleek. I have videos that, with my hair super sleek, but I just wanted to do this natural, nice, fresh, hairstyle, and this is what we did. I know I personally can do much better, but I am in this period of my life where not everything should be perfect. Everything must just look good to me, not perfect. You know what I'm saying? Because that's not the life that we were trying to live. There is nothing perfect in this world, not even mankind. We are the most imperfect beings ever. We are so flawed, and it's the grace of God that we are actually here. We even breathe in the breath that He's in charge of our breath. He is, You know, he's our God. We're man, we're nothing. So perfect, where none of us are perfect. But anyway, yeah, this is the hairstyle. Hope